Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change text size in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys this text size guys, means guys this font size guys you want to change in your Vivo phone. So guys you can change, and guys now let's see how to change text size in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change text size. Then guys click on display and brightness. Let's click on guys this font size and display size tab here. So you can see guys your text size here. So guys you can change from here. So example why we will take this larger size tab here. So you can see guys your font size. Guys your text size has changed in largest. So I hope friends you have understood how to change text size in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.